Hello, welcome to Chakra meditation. Before diving right into learning about the 7 chakras and what each of them do, take a moment now to tune into your body and see if you can feel your chakras at work. You may sense the prana, energy, or life force centers very lightly, very intensely, or you may feel nothing at all. Whatever happens is okay, and just be in the moment. Now first, start by making sure you are in a quiet place, undisturbed, uninterrupted, sitting in a comfortable position. If you can't be right now, just return to this video later. But if you can, sit quietly for a moment and take a few deep breaths. Let tension and stress slide away for just a moment. Be in the moment with your body. Now, bring your attention to the base of your spine, your tailbone, and imagine here a bright spinning red light. Feel it pulsing and rotating as you take deep breaths in and out. Sit with that for a moment. Following your breath, directing your breath with intention to this space. That is your first chakra, root chakra. Now, move your attention up your spine to the area a couple of inches below your belly button. Feel the warmth of a bright orange spinning light. Again, notice how it moves with your breath. As you inhale deep and exhaling long breath. And sit with that for a moment. Sending your intentions to this area. Your second chakra, sacral chakra. Now move your attention further up to a couple inches above your belly button. You are probably familiar with this area because when you feel strong emotions like love or fear, you likely feel it here. Notice how you can sense the intense yellow light rotating and spinning on this spot. Connecting with your breath on this third chakra, solar plexus chakra. Guiding your breath with intention in this area as you breathe in and out. Sit with that for a moment. Now, bring your attention further up to the center of your chest, where your heart is. This area harnesses a bright green light. Sense and feel the intense bright green light spinning and rotating with your breath. When you are deeply touched or moved, you might instinctively place your hand over the spot. Connecting with the emotions of your heart. This is the fourth chakra, heart chakra. Now, guide your attention to your throat, the deep in between your collarbones. Imagine a bright blue light spinning and rotating with warmth of your breath in that area. You may feel the urge to swallow or clear your throat every now and then. That is where your fifth chakra is, throat chakra. Sit here for a moment as you send the intention, the focus to your throat. Now, move your intention up to the space on your forehead between your eyebrows. This is your third eye. The area holds a deep indigo rotating light, spinning with your breath. Imagine yourself becoming wiser as it spins and rotates and becomes even brighter. The two physical eyes sees the past and the present, while the third eye reveals the insight of the future. And the seed syllable, you may have heard it, is Om. Om. And this is your sixth chakra, third eye chakra. And finally, shift your attention to the very top of your head. Imagine a vibrant, spinning violet light that shines right out the top of your body. This light connects you to the universe, to the space, to the openness, and to the oneness. We may call it 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗻 in Sanskrit, meaning oneness, unity with all, or harmony. Feel the peace that comes with noticing this light. Take deep breaths in, connecting with your oneness. Connecting with all that there is in space or the universe. And we will close with 3 Oms as we breathe in and exhale the syllable Om. Let's breathe in Thank you for listening. I hope you now have an idea of the chakras, the 7 chakras, and we will learn more about them in the next video. If you want to stimulate, activate, or balance these chakras, you may wear a t-shirt featuring any of the colors of the chakras and connecting with that color and see what happens or how you feel. Good luck. Thank you, universal siblings. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until we meet next time.